Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, beautiful people. Wanted to give you all a shot of the laundry room that is located here on the Carnival Elation. In case you are flying in, you don't want to pay extra money for extra luggage, you can do your laundry here on the Carnival Elation. You have your iron board because you cannot have any type of iron in your room in case you have a cruise before. You can come on down here and press your clothes, get the wrinkles out, and this is where you could purchase we have Tide and Bounce, look like it's $2. Want to save on that, you could probably purchase yourself a pack of travel pods, I think they are, yeah, the travel pods, and also, you can pack yourself your own Bounce from home. You could put them in Ziploc bags and just put them in with your clean laundry to keep your laundry fresh also. So we have 4 washers and we have 4 dryers. This is a small space, but remember, you're on vacation, you're cruising. Save some money. Don't pay that extra $50 for that luggage. You can pay $3.50 for the washer, $3.50 for the dryer, $7. Got some fresh, clean clothes. And let's see how deep they are. Dryer is good. This is really good. Nice and deep. Yes. So again, this is the Carnival Elation, and nice clean laundry room. They keep it clean. And this strap for back here. Until we trip again. Live your best life, love one another, peace.